I thought that is what it was too. In fact, it's an acronym for before anyone else. So that got me to thinking. Slang terms are evolving so fast that sometimes it's hard to keep up. So we here at Late Night decided to give you a little primer in a segment we're calling Seth Explains Teen Slang.